Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, I'll tell you what, you read the description, street tacos and brats all together as one. I'll tell you what, uh, you're, everybody's kind of locked down at home these days, and you're looking for different things to do, and maybe to make the kids maybe want to eat a little bit more, and you're maybe a little bit limited as to what you can get at the store these days. So I found these today because I was I wanted pork chops, and I ended up with brats. But I also have some of these Mission Street tacos, and I'm thinking to myself with some pickles. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to put some pickles, and I have some stadium sauce I'm going to put on these, and it's going to be awesome. So let's take our street tacos and our brats, and let's use an air fryer. So you don't have to go outside. You can do it right here in the kitchen. Keep on watching. All right, folks, getting ready for the street tacos there. And this is not, if you're saying you're going to make this like a real street taco, probably not. But I've got some paste, mild, hot, and then I've got my brats here. So, and then I've got my street tacos there. So let's, got a grill grate that goes in our air fryer, and we're going to take 2 of our brat patties and nice sizzle there. We'll put this back in the air fryer and give you a look-see. Stay tuned. All right, let's take a quick look, folks. Oh man, look at that! Our brats are cooking up nicely. Let's see what to look on the other side. Oh, look at that! Even browning up a little bit. That's nice. On an air fryer, can you imagine that? So let's get it back on. Give you a look-see. Lots of sizzling going on in there, folks. Let's get her out of there. Oh man, look at that. On an air fryer. That's amazing. Look at that. On an air fryer. Words alone can't explain how good that is. So we're gonna take a little bit of our and just our street tacos, warm them up with just a tad. Give you a look-see in a second. All right, so we're making our tacos here, our street tacos, street brat tacos, and we've got, I got this mixed up here. So I got the hot on this side and the mild on this side, and we warmed up. Oh, look at that! I tell you what, your teenagers might actually enjoy that. Look at that. That's let's take a taste test. Brats and salsa go together, folks. That's really good. I'll do that again. So, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Tom Horseman on YouTube. And as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.